Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to create step by step the field of the Gerbera Daisy flowers. This is Gerbera Daisy. There are many layers of the petals. I think 2 or 3 layers. Okay, our color is so beautiful, orange, reddish orange color. Okay. Here are the materials: orange, red, green, blue. You can use any kind of brand watercolors. But I'm going to use, I have paint from Holbein, little petal, rubin, scarlet lake, orange, sap green, cobalt green, ultramarine deep, cobalt green, and sap green. Okay, I have drawn the sketching. I always do small sketchy because I want to see composition as a whole before painting. So I recommend it for you. Okay, and then also I'm going to use a salt, and I'm going to use a splatter technique for background. So okay, first of all, yes, I'm going to, this is Gerbera Daisy field, and here are the sky. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3 of the Gerbera Daisy. I'm going to paint a bigger size, and then here are the field. Okay, first of all, sketch with 2H pencil. Okay, let's get started. First step is apply water on the paper. This is cobalt green for the sky. This is ultramarine deep. Today's work is I'm going to use wet on wet technique on background, and I will adding abstract effect. So using splatter technique and salt. Even sky, you can use a splatter technique. Okay. Next, I want to do a daisy field. I'm going to switch the brush. I'm going to use salt and splatter technique. This field, in the field. I really like abstract effect for background like this. This is mixed sap green and orange, so you can get kind of brown color. I'm going to use salt. I'm going to use a splatter technique, use very clean water like that. Okay. We need to wait for dry this paper. It takes, I think, 10 minutes, enough. Okay, make sure this paper all dry and take out the salt, use paper towel. Okay. Okay, look at this, very amazing abstract effect. Okay. Okay, next step, I'm going to paint these daisies. Take some orange. Start light color, and second layer you can adding darker than this color. Okay. And flower center is very reddish, dark reddish color, so you can try like that. Apply water first. You can do same way with this flower. First apply light color first, orange, and mix a little bit scarlet lake. I'm doing paint each petals. And next petal, little bit get dark color. So between petal, you can drag, move brush quickly. And then flower's center is darker than this leaf petal. This flower is, I don't wanna detail. And then this spot we're gonna use just to draw the center of the flower. It looks like a daisy flower. And then this one too. This is, I'm going to make the center of the flower. And stems. I want to take out this part color, so this part is too dark, so clean brush. I have done this painting. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this channel and you learned something from this video. Don't forget subscribe and hit the like button and great comment. Have a great day. Bye.